me in your house.
My name is Deborah Mahan, and I'm originally from the United States, born outside of Philadelphia. I moved to Chicago and then ultimately to Annapolis, Maryland, and then decided it was time to enjoy life and retire early from my career.
My name is Laura, and I'm from France, Europe. I chose Playa del Carmen because it's a very nice city. It's small, but still you have everything you need, and the beach is wonderful, and it's close to everything. You can go to Tulum and everything, and I really wanted to help here at the shelter.
Living in Mexico is an incredible place to be because there's a strong expatriate group here. So we call ourselves the expats, and we get together from Canada, from the United States, from Europe, and we have a strong community in the Mexican area.
Well, I come here about 3 times a week, and what I do is mainly walk the dogs and also give them love. That's my favorite part.
I'm a dog lover. I have a dog at home, and so she asked if I'd like to come along. And this is my first day here, and it's absolutely incredible what these people do. And once again, meeting people from other areas, making new friends, meeting new expats, meeting some new Mexican friends as well. It's very warm and inviting, and we do a good thing for the dogs. My favorite activity is walking on the beach. I make sure that every day I spend some time on the beach, whether it's 1 hour or 2 hours, just taking a walk, sitting and reading a book, meeting up with some friends. I mean, who doesn't love the scenery of a beach? And it takes away all your worries and your cares and the stress that you may have in your life, and that's why I retired to Mexico and love it.
My favorite daily activity is go to the beach. You know, I love the beaches here, and I love swimming in the sea. It's so warm, it's wonderful, it's beautiful. It's just like in the picture behind. So the color of the sea is wonderful, and I just love it. That's my favorite activity with coming to see the puppies here.